Crypto bro, finally, after a year, we have a greed on the market. What does it mean? How can you use it? I'm gonna show you in this video, and I'll show you what I do next on Bitcoin and the crypto market. Like you can see, I'm back in my studio. There's a lot of happening on Bitcoin. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's go straight to the charts, right? Like you can see, the first thing I wanna show you is that we are still respecting the support right here, right? And yesterday, because of the Fed meeting, we had a pump to 24,200 USD, right? I was trading this. I didn't want to show you exactly and tell you my prediction for the Fed meeting because you cannot predict, right? This is Fed meeting. When they release a news and when they have a meeting, you simply can't predict what's gonna happen and what they are going to announce. So don't watch all these YouTubers telling you things that, oh, they are going to say this or they are going to say that. You don't know. You cannot predict this. That's why I didn't give you any update. Right, this is important because you always have a big volatility on the market, but you cannot predict what is going to happen on the Fed meeting. So if we take a look right now on the crypto bubbles, you can see everything is up. Altcoins, Hex is plus 23%, Air and the Air plus 94%. Everything is back to amazing returns. And the very important thing, fear and greed index. Finally, we have a greed on the market. But I want to warn you guys, because look, if we take a look at 1 year chart right here, yes, this is the highest point since a year. We only had this in March 2022, so it's been almost a year since we had greed on the market for the last time. But I want to show you now what I'm doing next on Bitcoin, right? If we zoom out a little bit, let me zoom out to 4-hour chart. Yeah, we've been supporting this trend line, this support line right here. And now what I expect that we are going to pump to 25,000 USD. And this right now is not the best time for a long position, at least to me, all right? Like I always say, don't only copy what I do your own research, take your own decision, make your own decision, and everything. Don't only copy what I do. I'm only showing you what I do, right? So look, 25,000, very strong resistance for Bitcoin. The reason for this is that when we had the first dump, all right, that was caused by FTX, then we pumped to 25,000. That was the initial end of the, let's say, end of the correction, right, of the downtrend correction, right? So now we have the strong support on 25,000 USD. And now after, when we pump to 25,000, very likely we will, then I expect a dump to 23,000, and this will be a time for me to get into long positions, right? So this is what I'm trading. I'm waiting now for the pump. It is hard to take advantage of the long because we are already pumped after yesterday's Fed meeting. So now if you're willing to get into long, I would either wait for a correction to this support line and then go into a long position, or wait for the correction from 25,000 USD and then get into a long position. If we break 25,000, we are getting to 30,000 USD easily. There is no volume between 25,000 and 30,000, all right? So this is going to be very likely a beginning of bull run. I can't say now that we are in a bull run, but if we break 25,000, yes, I will be telling you that we are back to the bull run. All right, look, next thing I want to show you is Bixbit. So if you are a miner, this might be very interesting to you, or if you are thinking about mining, right? Basically, Bixbit is delivering equipment and solutions for miners. For example, they have immersive cooling systems. They are selling this, and they are delivering other solutions like custom firmwares, right? Now why this is important? Because this can improve your hash rate by 20 to 40%, right? By 20 to 40% only by the custom firmware, and this is completely free, right? The reason why it's free is because there is the dev fee, and it's ranging from 1.8% to 2.8% of the total hash rate, all right? But still it's free. I don't know how long it's gonna be free, but now it is. And now if you take a look on the screenshot from the firmware, you can see, you can basically check everything here, all right? So temperature, hash rate, consumption, the URL, boost difficulty, accepted, rejected, and the other statistics and pools right here. And if you take a look now, you can see in the Yahoo Finance, in their article, they have an article on covering Bixbit, and they have now something called bug bounty, the Bixbit Dev. You can see this is a program, all right? When you basically have like 5 steps here, all right? Register, download, install firmware, run and test the firmware and AMS. So you basically you are testing the AMS and firmware, and thanks to this you can win several things like for example up to 250 USDT or a Brandon Bixbit ASIC, right? So I'm leaving you all the links in the description. Take a look at this, right? Once again, I'm leaving all the links in the description. I'll keep you updated with what's happening on the market, and take advantage of what's happening, because we are in a beautiful market right now. Don't miss more opportunities. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.